Hello there, everyone at home. Here is your warm-up. Is it Friday yet? Not just yet. So where are we? Oh, no, no, no. There we go. Make a coordinate plane go in 8 each directions used to solve the system of equations below. Okay, can I get you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Those of you at home, go ahead and pause that and work on this, and let's get this show on the road. I can answer your questions about logistics for next week, but let's get through this first. Let's get through this first because we still have our learning goals. And just like, yeah, it's true, guys. Listen, listen, listen. I've got you guys covered. I'm going to do my very best to try to make the last 3 days of this quarter, the days leading up to the winter break, as fun as I can. Like I've got some lessons that are pretty good, like the world's easiest skill check. We'll talk about it. Listen, but trust me, you'll like it. So, guys, but we still need to meet our learning goals. Because I'll tell you right now, the other math teachers, like there's a class that I teach with all three of us teach, that three of us teach, and I got outvoted on that. And they're doing the iReady mid-year diagnostic test the last week of school. I don't want to do that, right? I don't want to do that. I want to do the lessons, but the thing is, the thing about doing the iReady mid-year diagnostic right there is it does make controlling the classroom really easy when you guys are feeling extra wild. You know what I mean? So I would rather do it when we return. I think you guys probably agree. Yeah. So let's make sure we can actually meet our learning goals and do what we're supposed to be doing, so that I can justify doing that. Because since I'm the only one who teaches Math 8 Core, I have total control of when I take it. So I want to do it when we return. But if the only way to keep you guys focused on what we're supposed to be doing is to do it before, then so be it. Yes, Abby. Yes. All right, guys. Here we go. Nora H. What's your favorite color? Green. Okay. Teal. That's different. I guess like it's like mint green. Is this kind of mint green like that? That's lime. Sorry. How about that? It's too late. There it is. All right, here it is. Okay, Nora. Shh, 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 shh. Voices, please. Waiting. Waiting. Nora, where is the first equation telling me to start? Go ahead and pop it on 5 then. That's 4. There you go. Yeah, very good. Now, where is it telling me to go? Down one, left one works. Down one, left one. Go ahead. Because 1 over 1 could also be negative 1 over 1. Oh, that's down one, right one. So you could go up 1, right 1. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave it there. It's fine. You can go up 1, right 1 because it's a positive 1 in front, or you could go down 1, left 1. Hold on, Nora. Now you're going up 1, left 1. Hold on. Let's start there. Go up 1. If you hit undo twice, that should do it. There's a little undo button. No, don't draw a rectangle. There it is. There you go. And one more time. There you go. So from there, Nora, since it's a positive 1 over 1, I want you to go 1 up and 1 to the right. Okay, 1 up, 1 to the right. That's it. There you go. Now, what you told me earlier, down 1, left 1, would work because negative 1 over negative 1 also is 1. So you can put it into full reverse like that. There we go. Beautiful. That's what I need. Now let's get your line tool. No pressure. See what line you can make there. Yep, that's better than I usually do. All right, perfect. How many of us are able to get that line or see how Nora got that line and aren't too worried? Great, good job, Nora. Josh, what's your favorite color? Blue. Blue. Okay, so Josh, where is that going to start and where is that going to go? Yep, so it starts 8. There you go. And then where should we go from there? Up 3, right 2, which doesn't fit. So what can I do instead? Yes, down 3, left 2, full reverse. Okay. Perfect. There we go. Beautiful. Let's get that line going. Go ahead and connect those with the line. It's true. It's true. That's really good. So here's the thing, guys. Where do those two lines cross? Because that will be the solution to my system of equations. Gavin, where do those two lines cross? Beautiful. You put them in parentheses, no spaces in between them. Tomorrow, guys, there's going to be a substitute and a self-assessment for you guys to do. It's okay. It's Miss Gontcharoff, so it's a regular Miss Gontcharoff. She does them all the time. The misses. So here's the thing: we have small children, and so Christmas shopping for them is a nightmare because they're always there, right? So in order to make sure, hold on, in case anyone listening doesn't know yet, I'm just going to go ahead and mute that really quick. Not mute. Is it muted? Maybe it. Right. It's okay. Okay. Look. Everyone's like, Mr. Petersen just ruined my childhood. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, Virginia, he's not real. All right. All right. Okay, sorry. So that's where I'll be, so that they can't see the ones that we get for them. Yes. At least tell me the elves are real. No can do. Abby. No. The funniest part is when you look up and Santa's real on Google, and it's like, I don't remember what it says. Like, it's not real, but like, and it has like comes up with like websites of like how to convince your kids that Santa. Oh boy, that is sad. Guys, it is the 78th day of school. Do you guys know since the sum of the prime factors of 77 and 78 are equal, they are a Ruth-Aaron pair? That is, 77 and 78 are numbers right next to each other. 77 can be written as 77 or 7 times 11, right? And 78 can be written as 2 times 3 times 13. And if I do 7 plus 11, I get 18. And if I do 2 plus 3 plus 13, I also get 18. That's what makes them a Ruth-Aaron pair. I don't know, 2 people who figured this out. And then Happy National Gingerbread House Day. Yay! Yay! Absolutely. Okay, what is our first essential question? And I would love to get that from, let's see here, that's going to come from Jake. Oh, yes, indeed. We'll get there. Maybe we keep practicing. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, hey, hey. We'll talk. Solving systems of equations with a graph. And then the second one is, what happened to calculator number 6? You guys, normally when one of my calculators goes missing, it shows up later that day. That didn't happen. If it doesn't show up later that day, it almost always shows up the next day because someone realizes they brought it home and they're too embarrassed to say anything. So they like sneak it in there while I'm not looking. But it didn't happen. It's been gone 2 days and I want my calculator back. Guys, I'm not mad. If you walked up to me and said, Mr. Petersen, I took your calculator on purpose to mess with you. Here it is back because you said if I did this, I wouldn't get in trouble. You're right, you wouldn't because I just said that right now. Just bring me back my calculator. If you need to sneak it in there or give it to the office and say, Mr. Petersen, I found this calculator, I don't know, in a toilet in the bathroom. Here you go. Like, just put it in Mr. Petersen's box. I'm sure it's his. And then you run away. I'm going to be totally fine with it. I just want my calculator back. Okay, Taylor Swift. For years, this Taylor Swift ex claimed All Too Well wasn't about him, but rather about Swifties, which they didn't take so well. When the 10-minute version was released, he accepted that he really was the subject of that song. Does anyone know who that was? Oh, it was not Harry Styles. No, no. Molly. Well, who is it? Sorry, guys, I can't hear Molly. I don't believe so. No, I don't believe so. I think she's just, all she's ever done is dreamed of punching him in his nose, I'm sure. The correct answer, guys, is Jake Gyllenhaal. Jake Gyllenhaal. Jake's like, it's true. All Too Well was about me. He's got the scarf. He's like, I never gave it back. Things seen in winter. Ah! Skis. I need it to be skis. Skis. Yeah, arrows to the skis. Oh. Oh, you thought they were pole mark. Okay, that makes total sense. You guys are absolutely right. Okay, anyway, can I get you back up here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So tomorrow, guys, you're going to have a self-assessment, a little video to watch, and it's going to be just a whole bunch of systems of equations, and you're going to tell me their solutions, okay? So on a warm-up, you graphed those two equations. You found out where they crossed, and then where they crossed was the solution. You need to write your solution as parentheses, number, comma, number, close parentheses, no spaces in order to get credit for them. Let's try this. I want to get through 3 today, so let's try this one first. You can use one of those coordinate planes that I gave you. If you don't have one, I can get that for you in just a second. Let's go ahead and graph this one, guys. Y equals 2/5 x, and y equals 8 plus 2x. Go ahead, guys. Will you graph those two lines onto a coordinate plane and see what you guys can come up with? Teach! Okay. Does anybody else need one of these? You can certainly do it on the same graph. You need one, Roman? You need one? Oh, we need a couple over here. You need a couple over here, guys? Oh, no, you just have a question. No, you got them. You have them. Use the ones I gave. Use the ones. Use the ones I gave. Okay, that's okay. Do what you can on there, and then let me know when you need more. Here you go, guys. Thank you. You're very welcome. Go ahead, guys. See what you can come up with.
After I draw this, can I?
That should be fine. Mm-hmm. I wonder if anyone will get this one right. Harper, what color should I put the arrows in? Here's your options, Harper. Red? Fuchsia? Where's Cameron? Who's asking for fuchsia? That's anytime I ask Cameron or Vivian what color they want, it's fuchsia. Go ahead, guys. Let's get this graph. Talk to your partners. Where does it start? Where does it go? See. That was a good one. I'm into it. I'll bet that gets her every time. Perfect. guys okay? Do you have any questions? Do you guys already get it? Yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know.
So would I go up two?
You would, but you have to start at 0 since there's a secret plus 0, right?
Oh.
Yeah, so start at 0 on that one. That should get you where you want to be. Perfect. Now where do they touch? That's your answer. That's your answer. You've graphed those perfectly. Okay, so where does that one? Oh, you did this great. So you go up 2, right 5, up 2, right 5. Let's go down to left 5 as well.
Oh wait, that's how I did it wrong.
That's how. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Full reverse is like down 2, left 5, down 2,
Okay,
left 5. This. Oh, it's part of the. Put some parentheses around it, and you got it, girl. Bam.
Yes.
She's good. She good at it.
So good.
She ready. Is that what they say? Oh darn. Let's see here. So for this one, you accidentally. Oh, that should be instead of down 2, left 2, down 2, left 1, because the slope is 2 over 1, right?
Okay.
That ought to
This
get it.
isn't
That ought to get it.
right.
Yeah,
Would this be it?
that is correct.
Okay.
That is exactly correct, and that's exactly how I want to see it typed in. That's beautiful. That is. Hello, Akora. That is correct. Very good. Yay. Perfect. Sure is. It is. You guys got this. Look at this. These are all level 3s. These are all level 3s. You guys are doing great. Yeah, this is level 3. This is all level 3 stuff.
First off, is this correct?
That's correct.
And can I go to the bathroom?
That's fine. Uh-huh. I'll talk to you about a level 4 on Monday when we're getting ready for our skill check on Tuesday. And that does, you're very welcome. That the skill check on Tuesday does go on third quarter's grades, just so you guys know. If you look at your grades now, whatever they're at, they can't go down. They can only go up. They can only go up by getting those last fixes in and doing all that stuff, okay? Okay, come on up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the interest of time, I'm going to take care of this, and you guys are just going to tell me what to do. Rachel, how do I graph y equals 2/5 x? Guys, I can't hear Rachel. Go ahead. Yep, and then where do I go? That's right. Then I do it again, and then I do down to left 5, down to left 5. That was only 4. How many of us find that the biggest challenge to this is that somehow when we're doing this, we forget how to count? Yeah, yeah, that happens to me too. It's when you're counting so much, it's really easy to make a little mistake there. Okay, Rachel, talk to me about 8 plus 2x. How do I graph that? So 8, and then where do I go from there? Yeah. Yeah, opposite, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. And then eventually you'll get to a place where you already graphed a point. Right here. And Rachel, where is that? What is that place called? How many of us got -5 comma -2 as our result there? Perfect. Great. 2 more, guys. 2 more. 2 more. You sure can. But if you want a fresh one, I get it. Just please hang on to it because the sub's going to be giving you fresh ones tomorrow as well for your skill check, okay? Let's see here. Got a pencil? Here we go, guys. No, 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 no. Tomorrow's a self-assessment. Monday's a review. Tuesday's a skill check. Hey, guys, let's do it. Here we go. Y equals -5 halves x plus 2, and y equals -7 minus 5 halves x. Will you guys go ahead and graph those onto your coordinate plane? Tell me where they intersect, and we'll get that going. Give it a try and teach.
Okay.
Whew. Yes, Conrad. Mm-hmm. That's right.
And wouldn't the opposite be up 5, left 2?
That's right. Hmm. Yeah. Let me see. Because you start, which was this the first one?
Yeah.
So you start at 2, and then you go up.
Oh, I went down 5.
Oh, okay. So 2, 1, 2. And then, left 2, because it's positive. See how the oh, no, it's negative. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 1, 2. Right there.
Oh, so
Hmm?
right
Yeah,
here.
yeah. You were doing it right. I'm sorry. Also, if something happens that makes you annoyed, it means you're doing it right. Just so you're aware. Thanks, Harper. All right. What do you think, Dash? Okay. And what would that make the solution? Exactly. Hi, Harper. Sure thing. Do me a favor and hang on to it for tomorrow, so that because the sub will have them available for you guys. Oh, yep, you're fine, Jake. There you are, ma'am. You're very welcome. Precisely. Hmm. So you guys are doing most excellently today. I think you guys do deserve a point. Thank you so much, everybody. Awesome. Keep working. I'm gonna check in with you. You sure did. That's even the correct answer. Canvas wouldn't take it, but I'm fine with it on your paper. On your paper, you can make it as fun as you want. Okay. Can I get you guys back up here in 5, 4, yes, Aquara? 3, 2, 1. None. You would write none. Yeah, just like we did before. Okay, let's see if I can get a little bit of help. How would I graph this? Marin, how would I graph y equals negative 5 halves x plus 2? Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, and I think maybe you're getting confused because you can go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2. Or what else could you do, Marin? Yeah, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left 2, and that would work. That was a little bit like you had like your two shoulder angels, the two Noras there, being like, you go up 5 and down, you go up 5 and up 5 and left 2, and then the other one's like, no, you go down 5 and right 2, and you're like, huh, huh, huh. But nice, good thing for you, it's the same line. It's the same line. What about this one? Where do I start with that one there, Marin? Hmm? So down how much? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then where do I go? So I can't go down 5. I run out of space. You can go left 2 and then up 5. Left 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we connect them with the line. Now, Marin, those lines don't seem to intersect on my... I did such a bad job. But they don't seem to intersect on my graph here. Will those lines ever intersect somewhere else? No, why not? Because they are parallel, and parallel lines do not intersect. So if these lines never touch, Marin, what do you think we say about the solution to this system of equations? There is no solution, and on Canvas you write none. There is no solution. How many of us are feeling fine and dandy about that one? You guys doing okay? Great. One last pair. One last pair. Last one. Just put it on whatever you got. Trust me, as soon as you see what's going on here, you're going to totally get what I'm doing, okay? Yes. We're actually in the last 10 minutes. Y equals negative 2 plus x, and y equals x minus 2. Go ahead and graph those two lines on your coordinate plane. Oh, Nora made a face, and I think that face says a whole lot about what I'm up to. Up, 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 up. Graph them on your coordinate plane, and you tell me when they touch. Teach.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Go ahead. Let's see what it looks like.
Wait a minute, you sick son of a gun. What is that?
Well, what do you think? What is that? When do those two lines touch? Okay. Okay. So what do you guys think that means?
They're never not gonna touch.
Sure.
Oh, would they touch it?
Here you go, Abby. There you go, Abby. Abby's got it. I'd say Abby and Conrad. Abby and Conrad figured it out. I'd say Abby, Conrad, and Roman, honestly, like instantly. That's who I heard instantly just go, wait a minute. You know, and also, I'm going to say Nora H's face also said it, even if she didn't say it out loud. Nora H's face definitely said, you saw what was going on. Yeah, you saw it. Let's find out. Okay, guys. Can I get you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Nora H., how do I graph this first line? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah, very good. And you can go down one, left one as well. All right. And then let's see here. Perfect. And then Nora, tell me how to graph the second one. You can either just tell me the instructions or you can use your face to tell me. She's going to give me instructions. See, I was thinking like you would just make the face you were making earlier because that said everything. But go ahead. Yeah. Guys, when do these lines intersect? All the time. So what do you, Nora, what do you think that means about the solution to the system of equations? Yeah, it's infinitely many solutions. And on Canvas, IMS. And infinitely many solitons. Which is why I let you guys write IMS, so that you guys don't have to worry about it. Okay? Oh, no, many is good. In infinitely many solitons is what I always got. How many of us, by raise a hand, this is a level 3? Guys, how many of us feel like if tomorrow I was like, we're just going to have this, the sub give you the skill check. We're not doing that. But if we did do that, how many of us feel like we could get a 3 on that? Beautiful. So that's all I have for you guys. The sub is not going to have a skill check. They're going to have a self-assessment for you to work on together. Put your calculators away, head back to your assigned seats, and I'll dismiss you with the bell. And if you're listening and are under a certain age, just so you know, there's definitely